everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style home decor is an interior design style that brings the charm, character and elegance of the past into a home. It focuses on aged-looking furniture, classic patterns, nostalgic accessories, and timeless details, rather than a sleek modern appearance. The goal is not to make everything look old. A beautiful vintage home mixes old-fashioned character with comfortable, practical modern living. Here are some tips for vintage style home decor. Let's start the video. First, choose a soft vintage color palette. Vintage interiors often use gentle, muted colors such as cream, ivory, dusty blue, shades cream, muted pink, beige, and firm brown. You can combine this with white or neutral walls to keep the room bright. Next, add classic furniture. Look for furniture with traditional shapes and beautiful details, like wooden dressers, carved back chairs, vintage cabinets, pedestal tables, and upholstered armchairs can instantly create a vintage atmosphere. Use floral patterns. Floral prints are a classic choice. Add them through curtains, cushions, bedding, wallpaper, tablecloths, or upholstered furniture. Smaller floral patterns can give a room a charming cottage feel. Decorate with vintage artwork. Create a gallery wall using old-fashioned botanical prints, landscapes, portraits, decorative letters, or antique-style frames. Mixing different frame shapes can make the display feel naturally collected. Bring in natural textures. Materials such as oat, wicker, rattan, linen, cotton, and woven textiles work beautifully with vintage decor. They add warmth without making the room feel overly decorated. Use nostalgic accessories. Small accessories can make a big difference. Consider classic clocks, ceramic vases, candle holders, decorative boxes, old-style mirrors, books, and vintage-inspired pottery. Add an ornate mirror. A decorative mirror with a curved wooden or antique-style frame can become a beautiful focal point while also making a room appear more spacious. Layer soft textiles. Vintage rooms feel comfortable because of their layers. Try lace curtains, embroidered cushions, knitted throws, patterned rugs, and linen table genres. Create a vintage kitchen. In the kitchen, use open wooden shelves, ceramic dishes, glass jars, floral textiles, traditional cookware, and vintage-style storage containers. These details can give even a modern kitchen a nostalgic character. Add fresh or dried flowers. Flowers are an easy way to strengthen the vintage atmosphere. Place them in ceramic pitchers, glass bottles, old-style vases, or simple baskets. Embrace old and aged finishes. Wooden furniture with a slightly weathered or naturally aged appearance works especially well. You don't need every piece to look distressed. Just a few aged elements can create character. Mix old and new. The most successful vintage interiors don't have to look like a museum. Combine vintage-inspired furniture and accessories with modern conveniences, so the room remains comfortable and functional. Keep the room balanced. Vintage decor can become visually busy if there are too many patterns and accessories. Choose a few standout features and leave some open space around them. Vintage style should feel warm, nostalgic, elegant, comfortable, and personal, as though the room has been lovingly collected over many years. Create a collected of a time look. Vintage decorative work best when the room feels naturally collected rather than perfectly massed. Combine furniture and accessories with different shapes, finishes, and patterns while keeping a consistent color palette. Choose traditional winter treatments. The themes can strongly influence the winter's atmosphere. Consider floral, toile, gingham, lace, or subtle strands fabrics. For a softer look, use lightweight curtains with simple tie-backs. Incorporate handcrafted details. Handmade items add personality and nostalgia. Use crocheted blankets, embroidered cushions, folded throws, knitted pieces, and handmade table genres can work beautifully. Use vintage-inspired wallpaper. Wallpaper with small florals, botanical illustrations, delicate stripes, or traditional motifs can create a strong vintage character. If you prefer a subtle look, use it on just on accent wall. Display open shelving. Wooden or painted open shelves are excellent for displaying ceramics, books, glassware, small plants, framed artwork, and decorative collectibles. Focus on decorative details. Vintage style often comes alive through small details. Try brass handles, ceramic knobs, decorative hooks, carved wood, patterned trims, and traditional hardware. Bring nature indoors. Plants can soften vintage interiors to simple greenery and place in a terracotta pots, ceramic planters, open baskets, or vintage-style containers. Make the kitchen feel nostalgic. A vintage kitchen can include wooden cutting boards, ceramic canisters, open shelving, patterned tea towels, glass jars, traditional crockery, and a small display of favorite kitchen pieces. Create a cozy vintage bedroom. Use layered bedding, floral or embroidered cushions, a wooden bedside table, a classic mirror, soft curtains, and a traditional style headboard to create a peaceful bedroom. Use mirrors as decorative pieces instead of choosing only functional mirrors. Look for designs with arched shapes, curved frames, edged finishes, or traditional detailing. They can become focal points. Combine patterns carefully. Vintage decor often uses multiple patterns, but they should share something in common. For example, combine floral, stripes, and small checks while keeping similar colors throughout the room. Create a vintage reading corner, a comfortable armchair, small wooden side table, floor lamp, bookshelf, and a few favorite books can create a charming old-fashioned reading nook. Use baskets for storage. Wicker and open baskets provide practical storage while adding natural texture. They work well for blankets, magazines, towels, toys, or everyday household items. Don't over-decorate. Vintage does not mean filling every surface. A few meaningful features, such as an old-style mirror, beautiful vase, artwork, or antique-looking cabinet, can have more impact than dozens of decorations. Add personal memories like photographs, inherited-looking objects, handmade crafts, favorite books, and sentimental decorations can make the space feel personal. This is one of the most appealing qualities of vintage decorating. A beautiful vintage home combines classic furniture, soft colors, traditional patterns, natural pictures, nostalgic accessories, and personal touches to create a space that feels timeless rather than simply old-fashioned. Choose statement vintage pieces. Instead of decorating everything in a vintage style, choose one or two standout pieces such as an old ornate mirror, antique style cabinet, vintage dressers, or classic armchair, and build the room around them. Use muted, layered colors. Vintage interiors often look beautiful when several related shades are layered together. For example, combine cream walls, shoes green furniture, dusty blue textiles, and natural wood. Mix different wood tones carefully. You don't have to use identical wood finishes. Light, medium, and darker wood can work together, with the overall room has a consistent color story. Add dramatic details. For a softer vintage look, introduce floral fabrics, delicate ceramics, ruffled textiles, decorative trays, and graceful furniture shapes without making the room feel overly formal. Create a gallery wall, mix botanical prints, landscapes, artwork, vintage-style photographs, small mirrors, and decorative frames. Give some relationship between the pieces through color or frame style. Display collections. Vintage style work especially well with small collections. You could display ceramic vases, teacups, old style bottles, decorative platters, books, or small pottery pieces together on shelves. Add handmade textiles. Crochet, embroidery, quilting, and hand-woven fabrics can give a vintage room a cozy, handcrafted feeling. A crocheted cushion or blanket can be a particularly charming accent. Don't forget the entryway. Create a welcoming entrance with a wooden console table, vintage mirror, small lamp, basket, framed artwork, and a decorative vase. Make the living room comfortable. A vintage living room should feel inviting rather than formal. There are comfortable sofa, patterned cushions, a textured rug, wooden furniture, books, and a few decorative accessories. Give the bedroom a timeless feel. Use a classic bed frame, layered bedding, floral or subtle patterns textiles. Wooden bedside table and a vintage-style mirror. Keep the arrangement comfortable and uncluttered. Add character to the dining area. A wooden dining table paired with traditional chairs can create a wonderful vintage foundation. Add linen napkins, ceramic dishes, a simple centerpiece, and a classic wall clock. Make a storage part of the decor instead of putting everything away. Use attractive storage such as glass front cabinet, wooden cupboards, wicker baskets, and open shelving. Everyday objects can become part of the visual design. Use seasonal decorations. Vintage decor can easily change with the seasons. Add flowers and light textiles in spring, greenery in summer, warm, natural accents in autumn, and cozy fabrics during winter. Let natural light in. Vintage spaces often look especially beautiful in natural daylight. Use lightweight curtains and avoid blocking windows with large furniture. Add warmth without making it too dark. If you prefer a brighter home, use cream, ivory, soft base, muted cream, and pale blue as the foundation. Then introduce darker wood or antique style accessories as accents. Focus on character over perfection. Small sign of age, handmade imperfections, and mismatched features can actually make vintage decor more appealing. The goal is to create a home that feels lived in, welcoming, and full of stories. Blend vintage with modern comfort. You don't need an entirely old-fashioned home. Modern appliances, comfortable furniture, good storage, and contemporary conveniences can be combined with vintage details to create a practical and beautiful space. Use vintage-inspired fabrics. Fabrics can completely change the mood of a room. Consider linen, cotton, lace, gingham, tile, ticking straps, and small floral prints for curtains, cushions, tablecloths, and bedding. Choose traditional hardware. Small hardware details can make modern furniture feel more vintage. Try ceramic knobs, edged brass handles, cup holes, and decorative hooks on cabinets and drawers. Add candles and decorative holders. Classic candle holders can add an elegant nostalgic touch. Place them on a dining table, mantel, console table, or bedroom dresser as decorative accents. multi-purpose old-style items. Vintage decor can include creative reuse. An old-style wooden trunk can become a coffee table, while a decorative crane can become storage or shelving. Decorate with botanical elements. Use botanical artwork, pressed flowers displays, leafy plants, and floral arrangements. Complement vintage interiors beautifully. Use open accessories, wicker and rattan baskets, trays, and storage boxes. Bring picture and work especially well with cottage, farmhouse, and country-inspired vintage interiors. And that is the beauty of vintage style home decor. It is timeless, cozy, elegant, and full of character. From classic furniture and floral patterns to antique-inspired accessories and handmade touches, every detail can make your home feel warm and personal. Overall, vintage style is about creating a home with character and history. You can achieve the look with genuine old pieces, vintage-inspired furniture, handmade accessories, or simply a carefully chosen mix of traditional and modern elements.